So you're training at home and you've hit that wall, right? You've got the basics down, you know how to throw a punch, but you just feel stuck. You start blaming the lack of equipment or the small space, and you wonder, can I really get any better without a proper gym? Let me answer that for you. You absolutely can. In this video, I'm giving you 3 specific drills that will crank your skills up a notch. We're going to sharpen your footwork, clean up your punching technique, and build some slick defense. These drills are proof that you don't need a gym to become a sharper, more effective boxer. All you need is a patch of floor and the will to improve. All right, first up, let's build from the ground up, literally. Good footwork is what separates the contenders from the beginners. It's your ticket to being balanced, getting in position to attack, and getting out of danger before it even starts. For this, we're going to use the footwork square. Just mark out a 3 by 3 foot square with tape. No tape? No problem. Just visualize it. Now, get in your boxing stance, and remember to stay light on the balls of your feet through this whole drill. First, let's move forward and back. Step your lead foot into the square and pop a sharp jab as it lands. Your back foot immediately follows and you throw the cross. Then, just as quick, step back out, lead foot first, then rear, making sure you keep that solid stance. The golden rule here is to never ever click your heels together or cross your feet. Now for side-to-side movement. From outside the square, step your lead foot left and into the square, followed by your rear. As you move, throw a quick 1-2 combo. Then move back out to where you started. Do the same thing moving to the right. Stay light, stay balanced. Ready to level it up? Let's mess with the rhythm. As you step forward, throw a double jab. As you step back, imagine your opponent lunging in and fire off a counter cross. When you move sideways, throw a combo and pivot out. Get used to moving in every direction, chaining your punches to your steps. Run this for 3-minute rounds. It's a killer for building agility and the coordination to move with purpose. Okay, so your feet are moving and you're feeling light. Now, let's get your head and hands in on the action. This drill is all about turning defense into instant offense. It's not about winging 100 sloppy punches. It's about throwing clean, crisp combinations. Start shadowboxing in your stance. Throw a solid 3-punch combo. Jab, cross, lead hook. The second you pull that hook back, you're going to slip an imaginary punch coming right at your head. To do that, bend at the knees and get your head just off that center line. The instant you slip, you're loaded up and in the perfect spot to fire back. So you slip, then immediately crack them with a hard cross or a lead hook. Remember, real power doesn't come from your arms. It's born in your legs and explodes through your hips as you rotate. And after every single punch, snap that hand right back to your chin. Don't get lazy and drop your guard when you slip. To take it to the next level, we'll add pivots and feints. Throw a jab cross, then slip their counter to your right. As you slip, pivot out to one side and fire back with your own 1-2. Then reset. Next time, throw a combo, roll under their counter, and step back to create some breathing room. Really try to simulate being under pressure. Picture an opponent who just won't back off. Use your rolls, slips, and pivots to constantly move and frustrate them. This drill will bulletproof your close-range defense and train your legs to stay strong when you're tired. And that's it. 3 drills, 0 equipment that will absolutely elevate your boxing. We built your foundation with the footwork square, we turned defense into offense with slip counters, and we made you an elusive target with pivot defense. See? Your progress doesn't have to stall just because you're not in a gym. Dedicate some real time to these drills. Aim for 3 to 5 rounds of each a few times a week, and I promise you'll see a massive difference in your balance, your power, and your defense. Now go get to work.